Food, baby. I love food, and I know that you love food too. French bistro cuisine today. We have a tuna sandwich. Tuna sandwich, certainly one of the classic French baguette sandwiches. And Lillet, pure as it is. I used most of it already for mixing the Lillet berry, I think is the name, with Schweppes wild berry, super nice, and strawberries inside that soak up all the flavors. Super cool. But today, the pure version. And I want to start with this. There it is, 17% of alcohol. It's sweet, nice. And I've never tried Lillet until like 2 weeks ago, I think, when I bought this bottle. And it's really good. Cold and refreshing, real nice. I would give the Lillet Blanc Pure 75 points. But now let's check out this baguette here. Freshly made from Brioche and Dorée. French bakery. There's egg, tomato, salad, tuna cream. Nice. Very good combo as well. Yeah, it's a nice sandwich. The distribution is a bit uneven, but nevertheless tasty. I like it. 76 points. There you go, guys. Real cool French episode. I enjoyed it. And yeah, just a beautiful day outside. So this is perfect food to go along with this day. So I hope you liked it. Comment, like or dislike, subscribe of course to my channel, ring the bell. See ya.